Hello everybody, welcome to Mr. GFX. Today we are going to speak about how to create your own game just in 10 minutes. If you don't know anything about blueprint or coding or anything or modeling, just we will create this game just in 10 minutes. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video, and let's get started. So first of all, we need to go to Fab. After that, we will download this project, game animation sample. Okay, after that, add to my library and insert it. After that, we can choose library and open animation sample. Okay, so now we have our create project. Can browse and choose your folder. After that, we can create. Third step, we need to open our project like that. So if you click here and play, we will see here our character. Okay, movement, so space, amazing. Okay, now nice. Okay, so this is our test. So now I want to transfer this character from here to my project. Okay, I create my level and everything, just I need to take this character with all animation and insert it at my level. Now we need to go to content. After this, we need to go to blueprint. So now we have CB blueprint sandbox. Okay, this character, right click, asset action. After that, migrate. Now all of them, I want to migrate them. Okay, now we have empty project. Okay, this one, we need to transfer it here. Right click to content, show and explore, copy this one. Okay, after that, I am going to sample project, paste it here, copy all of them here. Now do you want to replace? Okay, so close the empty project. After that, replace. So yes, replace all of them. Wait a little bit. If you still not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and like for my video. Wait a little bit. Okay, just 1 minute. Now we transferred all files to another project. Now if you look here, we will see blueprint and our character. Now if you click here, we will see the default character here in this area. Now we have already our character, but we need to add it. Before we do that, we need to enable 7 plugin. First one, we need to go to edit plugin. After that, first one, locomotion. Okay, library. First one. Second one, warping. Okay, so now we have motion warping and animation warping. Okay, so now we have 3 plugin. Number 4, motion trajectory. Okay, after that, deformer graph. After that, we will choose chooser. So final one, buzz search. So what we are going to do now, we need to restart our project and open it again. Now we need to add our character. Click here, content. After that, blueprint. We will see our character. Now we will create blueprint. Right click, blueprint. After that, blueprint class. So now game mode base. So now Mr. GFX test. Okay, now if you click here, default setting, we will see our game. So now if you click here, setting and world setting, we will see here game mode override. So now we will choose Mr. GFX test. After that, we will choose our character. Which one? Content, blueprint, CB sandbox character. So now we can drag and drop it here. Okay, so now if you click here, play, we will see our character working very nice. Okay, now I'm going to open my level which I created before in previous video, so you can check tutorial from here. So you can watch this video here in this video. Okay, I create this one from A to Z. Okay, you can check this video. I will put URL in description step by step. Now we can come back to our project. Now this is our level which I created before. If you click here, play now, nice. Okay, nice level. Okay, you can move like what you need. Okay, play, and so amazing details. Okay, this is the easy way to create your game in a few minutes. Okay, so in next video maybe we can change this character. Okay, and we can add the sound effect, or we can play with the next level. So don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video. See you in the next video. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.